For the past few months, I've been on a serious mission, less than 6 months, to completely change my life. And part of that mission isn't just about my mindset or habits, it's about my finances as well. Because let's be honest, transformation without financial freedom feels incomplete. Today, I'm letting you in on how I'm building an income stream that anyone, yes, you can start. If you're new here, hi, my name is Helen, and I've been documenting my journey on growth, mindset shifts, and personal development. This is a channel where I share the wins, the struggles, and every single thing I'm learning to improve the quality of my life. So if that sounds like you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's go level up together. Keep watching, guys. I have a gift for you at the end of this video. Thank you, Stakecut, for sponsoring today's video. More of them in the video. When I started this 6 months challenge, I realized something. Most of us, especially Gen Zs, we grew up with the mindset that money is evil or is impossible to make. For you to create wealth, you have to maybe do something evil or just be lucky or be a trust fund baby. And honestly, I carried some of this mindset for so long, like it stuck with me. But then I got tired when I knew that I'm also a king. I'm also someone that is supposed to be able to help others. And I found out that people are actually making money in a legit way. And that's what I want to put you guys on. And trust me, it's not an overnight get rich quick scheme kind of thing. It's about learning a skill and actually serving with that skill. I know some people don't want to hear the part of service, but I want to let you in that money is given in exchange for value rendered. So be it a product or a service, one of the first things I'm adding to my income stream is affiliate marketing. And I'll tell you why. It's not so simple to do, but then the concept of it is simple. It's more about you recommend a product, you share your unique affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let me explain it in this way. You have your hair braided or you have your hair cut at a salon. Your friend walks up to you and like, oh my god, you look gorgeous. Where did you get your hair done? And you're like, oh, at that salon. And the salon pays you for referring your friend. How passive can that get? You are just paid because you referred your friend. That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. And yeah, that is how creators and brands are growing together. And that is one of the very, very good ways to start out earning online, even if you're still learning. Yes, and that's why I love Stakecut so much. Stakecut is that platform that allows you to market other people's products and get paid just like that. You don't even need to have your own products or create your own products. You can easily market someone else's products. Just get the affiliate link and start marketing. But even better, you create your own digital product, and Stakecut gives you access to host your product and services on their website, and you get to sell it in different currencies, and you get clients all around the world. Of course, I know there is Amazon, there is Gumroad, there is Sellfany, there is Seller, there is Stanstore, but have you heard about Stakecut? Let me put you on. Stakecut gives opportunities for sales challenges and you earn a lot. People get flown out from those challenges. It's so creative that they create a space for people that are marketers of those products. I feel like when brands think about their customers, it's a way of saying that they are so intentional. And I love that for Stakecut. Stakecut is an intentional platform. If you ever thought about affiliate marketing, Stakecut should be your go-to. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing step by step and the platform that is helping me to automate my process, because why go over a particular thing when you can have it on autopilot? And yeah. And yes, the exact affiliate marketing course that I'm using to build myself and build my finances and the mistakes that I've made, so you don't have to make them. So here is what I want you to do. Stay tuned. If you ever thought, oh, I want to make money online, I don't know where to start, this is for you. You've been planning that girl's trip to Zanzibar, to Maldives, to Mauritius, to Bali, and you don't even know how it's gonna happen. This is for you. You want to move your family into a better space. This is for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment as well. Let me know where you are on your journey. And yeah, the juicy part that I mentioned earlier about the gift that I have for you, right in the description of this video is a link to my free affiliate starter pack, actual roadmap that I'm taking, and I want to give it to you for free. This is just one part of my 6 months transformation, but for you, it might be that one step that transforms your bank account, and I can't wait to see that. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and thank you so much Stakecut for sponsoring this video, go ahead and check the previous videos I've posted so you can follow through, so you're not left behind. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure you've subscribed, liked, left a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a beautiful, productive week ahead of you. Okay, bye.